California's court system is the largest in the United States and one of the largest in the world, processing millions of cases a year and shaping the law for 39 million people. Let's map its structure, which Article 6 of the Constitution organizes into 3 tiers. At the base are the superior courts, the trial courts, one for each of California's 58 counties. These are courts of general jurisdiction, meaning they hear essentially everything, all civil cases, and all criminal cases, from minor infractions through misdemeanors to the most serious felonies, plus family law, probate, juvenile matters, and small claims. This is where virtually all litigation begins, where a judge and sometimes a jury hear evidence and apply the law to the facts.
Trial judges are elected countywide on a nonpartisan ballot for 6-year terms, though in practice, most are first appointed by a governor to fill a vacancy and then run, usually unopposed, in what functions as a retention election. The middle tier is the Courts of Appeal, organized into 6 geographic districts. When a party loses at trial and believes a legal error affected the outcome, they can appeal, but here's a crucial distinction. Appellate courts don't retry cases or hear new evidence. They do error correction, reviewing the written record to decide whether a legal mistake was made and whether it was prejudicial, meaning it actually changed the result. Cases are decided by panels of 3 justices. Appellate justices are appointed by the governor, confirmed by a special commission, and then face periodic retention votes, serving 12-year terms.
At the apex sits the California Supreme Court, 1 Chief Justice and 6 Associate Justices, with 4 votes required to decide a case. Unlike the appellate courts, the Supreme Court mostly chooses which cases to hear. It receives around 9,000 petitions a year, but grants review in only a small fraction, typically picking cases with unresolved legal questions or conflicting lower court rulings. Its mandatory jurisdiction is limited, most notably to death penalty appeals, which, because California has the nation's largest death row, consume an enormous share of the court's attention. Running alongside all of this are the federal courts, which handle federal law, disputes between citizens of different states, bankruptcy, and immigration. But the vast majority of cases touching ordinary Californians' lives, divorce, contracts, traffic, most crimes, stay in state court.